Greetings folks, William C. Rogers back at you with another video, and today we just want to talk about digital marketing in the digital marketing arena. And what's basically going on is you're seeing a lot of products that are delivered electronically, digitally. This is where the term digital in the digital marketing comes from. And by digitally, we mean it's something that you can download, or it's a video training area where you go to learn something. Sort of like in the e-learning space. That covers the bulk of digital products. Also software that make different tasks easier to do, software that automates things, software that mass distributes things, software that builds websites, all the way to even the most recent AI different products and services. This is all in the arena of digital products. And the best way for you to get involved with having your own digital products, getting on that side of it, is to go ahead and get you some PLR products and simply rebrand it and make it your own, add your own bonuses. It's real simple. And what I have going on for you now over at the Easy Money School site is I have a special 200 plus different PLR products fully laid out. The sales pages, the download pages, the sales videos, promotional emails, everything. All you do is upload them to your web host, and if you're not certain on how to do that, there is plenty of training on that once you get to the private access area. All you got to do is go to easymoneyschool.com/200 resell products. That's easymoneyschool.com/200 resell products. Just go there, and once you go ahead, and you'll see everything you're going to get. And there's even a very special bonus, actually two special bonuses you're going to want to pay attention to. So go to that page now so you can get access. And once you get into the area, you'll get all of them products. You can set it up one at a time, all at once. You can use the content, not even set up the products. You can just use the content as blog posts, as articles. You can use them as video collages. You can do all sorts of things. You're going to own the content as well. So you can do whatever you want with this. So once again, that's easymoneyschool.com/200 resell products. Once again, that's William C. Rogers saying peace and light. Everything is going to be all right.